Hey guys, what's up? So the two top best search keys, 5, 11, 12, and 13 of the 13.6. The first week is called TG Unblock. The Telegram blocks some channels in some countries. This week we removed the limitation. This week is called NSFWgram. This week is called NSFWgram. Viewers split your channels, groups, and Telegram. This week is called Cuboid. This week is called Cuboid. And Lightweight Home Screen Layout Manager. This is called No CC Bar and removes the lock screen control center grabber bar on the iPhone X, iOS 11.2 and up. This is called Perfect Notifications, Colorized Notifications, shows exact time, past, hide, DND, which is not to notification, easy notification swiping, one list of notifications, and more. This is called Perfect Network Speed Info, shows upload and download speed in the status bar. This is called Summer. It's a package that includes more than 70 mods. This is called Syphil or Salope, I don't know how to pronounce it. Customize and shrink your lock screen music player. This is called Complications, brings Apple Watch widgets to your iPhone's lock screen. This is called Keyboard Controller and control your keyboard. This is actually a widget called Catalina, dynamic wallpaper with weather, time, battery widget, depends on the ads info. Wallpaper changes day and night, like the dynamic wallpaper from Mac OS Catalina. There's also a theme called Catalina, and that's what it looks like. And this is called JIT, Fast Content Addressable File System. This is called GitHub Profile Pictures, and basically show GitHub profile pictures and short look when you receive a GitHub notification. This is called App Hider, and basically it hides your apps from your springboard, like the apps that disappeared from your phone. This is called Sentinel, and basically stop having to re-jailbreak when your battery dies. So it puts you in like a low power state, so you can save your battery when you have a really low battery, so your device wouldn't die, and so you won't have to like re-jailbreak. You can go through that hassle. This is called GIF2 Annie version 2, iOS Spring animations for any GIF GIF that you want. This is called ALO Mobile, basically also configure no screenshots for this item. This is called CC support, and basically adds the ability for other developers to add their own modules in the control center. It does this in a safe way so that the control center does not get messed up when a tweak is not loaded. So, you can see what's new. Introduces module providers, a new, more dynamic way for developers to create modules. A module provides a bundle that can provide any amount of modules, as opposed to regular modules which need one bundle per module. This allows developers to provide a module multiple times based on user preferences and much more. This is called Activator Notify, Notificator, and Activator Event, which can display variable custom notifications. Do not add or remove options before saving, which can cause your unsafe settings gone. This is called Twitter Chick, adds some advantages to the Twitter application. This is called Indie, control from your status bar. This is called Annotate, adds notepad to your home screen. Easy to move around, colored, so that's how it looks. This is actually a theme called Alive, and that's how it looks. This is called Lang Swipe. It's a better way to switch between keyboard input languages. Swipe up down on the keyboard to switch between keyboard input languages. If you're using my swipe selection version, then you have to disable swipe up down to remove the cursor up down from swipe selection settings. So it's iOS 13.0 and above. Which is called Swipe Selection. And this is called Swipe Selection 1.0 Beta 3, and select text to move the cursor using gestures on the keyboard. So these features right here, you see. It added different options. So you added to fade the keyboard while moving the cursor, added split center X compatibility, moved up down swipes in place with a better pan gesture, fits they crash in Mail, Safari, and in some other apps while in force touch trackpad mode, fits random text selection bug, live code clean, and all address bugs were fixed. Swipe extender X, bring back life into your keyboard with swipe extender X. This piece is a full remake of Legendary Swipe Expander. This is to work on modern iOS versions. This is called Keyboard as CEO, and basically makes the global key always switch between the first and second input modes of your keyboard settings. This is called Lib Bulletin, and simple library that displays bulletins. This should call system information. This should call system info, and basically with system info. And this should call system info and adds a bunch of information about your device to your settings application. So settings, general, and about. And also for other sections of your settings app. This is called drain. Find out when your battery drains and will give suggestions on what tweets or drain your battery. This is called proper lock gestures. This is called tap lock screen. Tap the lock screen to perform actions. This is called tap lock. Simple lock your device by tapping on the home screen. And last week's called YouTuber download and convert, I think. Yeah, so that's basically download and convert. So it's like really outdated, but if you actually downgrade YouTube, you could get the work. Also, you could use alternatives to download the audio and YouTube from Circube, that tweak, and also YouTube++, which is YT++. Those two different tweets you can use. But yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.